pretty heavy harvest off of this greens bed. I wanted to show it to you, one, so you can see how many greens we take off, how many greens are left, to see the renewability of a greens bed. Click like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be right back with the rest of this video. Big ones at the end, just grab those for now. So you see, we're not even halfway done with these rows, and we got really more than we're going to be able to process with this bucket. And that's going to be a lot of processing tonight. I'm going to have them harvest a few more choice ones off of this, and then we're going to start the rinsing process. A rinsing process, but in reality it's a soaking process. I need this bucket to be full of water to the top, and what's going to happen, anything that's heavy, sand, little grit, silt, clay, anything that's heavy is going to sink to the bottom and off of the bucket. To do this the best way is with a bubbler. It'd be a tub bigger than this and would have air bubbles coming up from underneath that just sort of stirs everything around. Little cameo from the goats. So there you go, guys. See, that bucket's dirty. We got, let's see. We got that big old pile of throwaways there. There they go to the goats or compost around the garden beds. That dirty bucket of water right there. See, it's full of those little beetles. And that's what was eating our plants. That's the best idea when you have a beetle infestation or any kind of infestation, to do a harvest of all your crops and then come through and do either your neem oil or diatomaceous earth application. You'll end up cutting the population down just by doing the rinse. So we got all of that. I know it's probably maybe 10, maybe 15 pounds. And still all of that bed too. So we're going to start the rinse process, or the bagging, whether we're going to do it for freezing or fresh, we'll see in a minute. So there you go, guys. That's a whole bunch of mustard right there. Oops. Whole bunch. Pretty stuff. We're going to get this all bagged out and delivered to wherever it needs to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you again with another video.